Hello investors, welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Today we're taking a look at Albemarle Corporation, ticker symbol ALB. This is a mid-cap company with a market cap of $22 billion. It falls under the chemicals sector, and they are best known for lithium mining and manufacturing, refining, production. They also have other segments. If you look over here under the company profile, you'll see there are three segments: lithium, bromine, and catalysts. But again, it's best known for lithium at the moment, in particular because of the relevance to electric vehicles. If you believe in the future of electric vehicles, this company is probably on your radar already. And here we are on Albemarle's annual chart. You'll see that it is well below all the major moving averages. This decline appears like it's stalling, although it could certainly have a little bit further to fall before it meets any points of resistance. And if we scroll down to the RSI, you'll see the RSI is in the oversold zone. The stochastics are both oversold and are bouncing around and oversold and have been for a couple of weeks now. You see the volume is mostly red lately, as you might expect from the share price being down. In fact, if you stretch back about a month, you'll see far more red than green in those bars. The volume is slightly elevated, but nothing outrageous. It's been higher in the past, but it is elevated volume and certainly more red than green. And if we look at the MACD, you'll see it's climbing towards zero. It looks like it wants to have a bullish cross, but this is a very slow plod upwards. At the very least, we can say it does look like it formed a trough and is heading up, but it's taking its sweet old time getting back to zero there. And if we switch over to E-Trade here and take a look at the fundamentals overall, note that there's a not insignificant short interest on Albemarle at about 5%. It's a bit more than I would expect with this company, but there it is. And you look at the debt, these are not big debt numbers, in particular for a company that requires lots of heavy equipment and space like Albemarle does. And the debt here indicates that it is less than 63% of other companies in the industry, which is great. And the PE ratio is lower than 69% of other companies in the industry. PE at the moment is 5.64, which is low, I think, by virtually any measure. Now, the gross margin, on the other hand, is high, well above average at 40%. It beats out 80% of other companies in the industry, and the operating margin of 30% is outstanding. It beats out 95% of others in the industry. The return on equity here, again, outstanding. Return on equity of 49%, and that beats out 95% of other companies in the specialty chemicals industry. The growth rate is best in class, beats out 100% of its peers in the specialty chemicals industry. So that's an outstanding sign for the future. And if there's one dark cloud here, it could be said to be the dividend, which is an unimpressive 0.85%. However, the payout ratio is less than 5%. So this is an exceedingly secure dividend. There's really only one way for that to go, up. So Albemarle is a solid company. It's well known to be a solid company. It's having a downturn right now, and this certainly looks like it's a good buying opportunity. And I will point out, for full disclosure, that I have purchased Albemarle shares in the past. Earlier in the year, I bought them below 180, and I held on to them, and I sold them above 210. It was a very nice swing trade there, and I'd be happy to do that again. And it does look like the time is ripe for buying back into Albemarle. But please let me know what you think of this company in the comments below. And also remember, none of this is financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. But at least I hope you got something out of the video. And if so, I would really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe to help out the channel. If you enjoy this kind of content, please hit the bell notification to be alerted when new videos post. Also, if you'd like me to take a look at a particular company using the indicators I present here, just mention that in the comments and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and good luck with all your investments.